How to duplicate Facebook or Instagram post in Meta Business Suite. Hello guys, in this video you would learn how you can duplicate Facebook or Instagram post in Meta Business Suite. So the first step is to log in into your Meta Business Suite account. Once you're logged in, this is how the page looks like. On this page, you can see your Facebook page, you can see other options, you can see get familiar with Meta Business Suite and all of that. And then once you can see this, the next step is to move to the left side of the screen where you can see a sidebar. Amongst the options displayed, you can either decide to click on content or planner. I prefer content. So after clicking on content, you'll be brought to the contents page where you would see all of your posts, the ones that have been published, the scheduled posts, the draft, as well as the expiring and the expired posts. So the next step is to go ahead and locate the post that you'd like to publish. For me, I have not you would like to duplicate, sorry. For me, I have not made any posts. That is why this page is empty. But for you, you would see all of the posts here. So find the post you would duplicate and then move to the right side of the post and click on the three dots that you can see there. After clicking on the three dots, more options will be displayed. Amongst this option, ensure you choose the duplicate option. Now, clicking on duplicate, automatically the post would be duplicated and the duplicated post will appear as a draft. So if you would like to make any necessary changes such as updating the caption, adjusting the media and all of that, you can do that, or you can now decide to publish it if you want. So this is how it works. So you can just move to your post, click on the three dots, click on duplicate, and your post will be duplicated both on Facebook and Instagram. Thanks for watching and have a good day.